we are going to learn about fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. It has two parts, numerator and denominator, which are separated by a fraction bar. Examples of fractions are 3 upon 4. In this fraction, 3 is the numerator. This line which you can see is the fraction bar, and 4 is the denominator. The number that is above the fraction bar is always called the numerator, and the number below the fraction bar is always called the denominator. And the fraction bar will remain in its same position in each and every fraction. Some more fractions are 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3. Now we will learn some types of fractions. The first type of fraction that we are going to learn today is unit fraction. The fractions that have 1 as the numerator are called unit fractions. Examples are 1 upon 8, 1 upon 6, and 1 upon 2. These all fractions are unit fractions because their numerators are 1, and 1 is also called as the unit number. Now we will move ahead to like fractions. The fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions. Examples are 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, and 5 upon 6. Now, as you can see, the denominators are same, so these fractions will be called like fractions. Now, we will move ahead to the opposite of like fractions, unlike fractions. The fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Examples of unlike fractions are 2 upon 6, 5 upon 8, 3 upon 9. Now, as you can see, the denominators in these fractions are different, so these fractions will be called unlike fractions. Now we will move ahead to proper fractions. The fractions in which numerator is smaller than the denominator are called proper fractions. Examples: 3 upon 5, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 10. Now, these fractions, you see, their numerators are smaller than their denominators, so all these fractions will be called as proper fractions. Now, we will move ahead to improper fractions. Improper fractions are the fractions in which numerator is larger than the denominator, and examples of improper fractions are 3 upon 2, 9 upon 5, 2 upon 1. Now you can see all these fractions, their numerators are bigger than their denominators, so these fractions will be called as improper fractions. Now we will move ahead to mixed fractions. The combination of whole numbers and fractions form mixed fractions. Examples: 3, 1 upon 6. Over here, the whole number should be placed at the right side of the fraction, and the center of the whole number should be matching the fraction bar. This is the whole number, which is 3. Some more fractions are 5, 1 upon 2. Now you see, these two fractions, they will be called mixed unit fractions because they have whole numbers and their numerator is 1. So today we learned about fractions. There are many types of fractions, and some of them are unit fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. Now, in the next session, we will learn conversion of improper fractions into mixed fractions and conversion of mixed fractions into improper fractions. Bye bye. See you in the next session.